Hi guys, Mike Mix here. I'm here today to tell you how to change the battery in this Honda remote. First of all, you're going to flip it on its back side. There's a little lever right there. What you need to do is just move that lever to the side, pull out the key, and there you go. That's the first step. Now what we want to do is there's a little, you see the two little notches right there? You're going to get an object and you're going to put it in between. A coin would work best. In this case, I used a butter knife and just sort of split it apart, just move it like one direction and then the other direction really gently, and it should remove. So once it's removed, you're going to have three pieces actually that come apart. There's going to be the back, the front, and in the middle part is where the battery is. Be really careful. These buttons right there, the back side of the buttons fell off for me and it was a nightmare to get them back in, so be really careful. The battery, to remove it, you want to take a little micro screwdriver, a flathead, and what you need to do is lift it up under there on the little notches that are very small. And you can see here, I do this in slow-mo because it'll pop right out. You just kind of lift it up, bam, and it comes right out. It actually fell on the floor, but it came out pretty easy with that screwdriver. So you put the new battery in, pretty easy to do. Just kind of slide it into the other side, not the side where you actually took it out, but just kind of duck it up under that little notch and then push down. Then you're going to want to put the battery part back to where the buttons are. Just line up the buttons, really easy to do. And then what you're going to want to do is go ahead and put the back on, and you would just set it right there on top, and it'll snap right in place. Not a problem at all. So then you're going to go ahead and put your key back in it, and you'll be good to go. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, please subscribe, and I hope you guys have a great day.